Video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitrix24. By the end, you'll feel comfortable navigating the essentials so you can communicate with your team, organize work, and keep everything in one place. First, log into Bitrix24. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace with the main navigation menu visible. This menu is your command center. You'll see options for Messenger, tasks and projects, CRM, calendar, driver files, and an invite button. Keep an eye on this menu. It's how you'll move between the core tools you'll be using every day. Start with Messenger. Click Messenger to open your team chat. You'll find the general chat, which is perfect for quick updates, announcements, and group conversations. Type your message and use mentions to get someone's attention. You can attach files directly in chat and react to messages to keep discussions tidy. If something is important, pin it so your team can find it later. Next, head to Tasks and Projects. This is where you create and manage tasks. Add a clear title, set a deadline, assign it to yourself or a teammate, and include details so expectations are obvious. Checklists help break work into steps, and priorities make sure the most urgent items stand out. As work progresses, update the status so everyone knows where things stand. Move on to the CRM to manage customers and leads. Here, you'll track new inquiries, record interactions, and move opportunities through your pipeline. Create a lead, add contact details, and log calls or notes so your history is all in one place. When a lead is ready, convert it into a deal and continue tracking progress. This keeps your sales and customer records organized and searchable. Open Calendar to schedule meetings and events. Create an event, choose the date and time, add a description, and invite participants. Set reminders so nobody misses an important call or review. You can also block time for focused work to protect your schedule. Click Drive or Files to upload and share documents. Create folders, upload files, and share them with the right people. Use permissions to control who can view or edit. If you update a document, version history helps you keep track of changes without losing previous work. Finally, select Invite to add team members. You can send an invitation and, once they join, assign them to chats, tasks, and projects so they're ready to collaborate right away. And that's how you use Bitrix24. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.